Hey everyone, it's Craig Powell with Royal LePage Atlantic, and today I'm excited to introduce to you this 4-season waterfront cottage with stunning panoramic views of the Cocagne River. This home features a ton of upgrades and is cozy, inviting, and perfect for year-round living or as a getaway. And here's the best part, it sits on a double buildable lot, giving you incredible potential to expand or even add a second property. Let's take a look around.